राम 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 सुप्रभातम सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः स्वागतम् अद्यतनकक्ष्यायां वयं पुनरावर्तनं करिष्यामः. We have completed learning 50 verses, that is exactly half of this Adbhuta Stotram called Shivananda Lahari. So we are going to have a revision as was announced yesterday in the WhatsApp group and in the last class. We will revise verses 41 to 50 today. 50th verse is a beautiful description of the Kshetram, Mallikarjuna Mahakshetram, that is the Kshetra of Mallikarjuna Swami and Bhramaramba Devi in Sri Shailam or Sri Giri, which is where this stotram was composed by Adi Shankara Bhagavat Padacharya. So we have concluded the previous session at verse 50. We will have a revision of verses. Please raise your hands. I will call you and then you could chant individually. Before that, I will do the Parayanam of these 10 verses, 41 to 50. Let us begin with Guru Vandanam. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजाय ते नमः शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये प्रह्लादवरदो देवो यो नृसिंहः परो हरिः नृसिंहोपासकं नित्यं तन्नृसिंहगुरुं भजे श्रीसच्चिदानन्द शिवाभिनव्य नृसिंह भारत्यभिधान्यतीन्द्रान् विद्यानिधीन् मन्त्रनिधीन् सदात्मनिष्ठान् भजे मानव शम्भुरूपान् सदात्मध्याननिरतं विषयेभ्यः पराङ्मुखम् नौमि शास्त्रेषु निष्णातं चन्द्रशेखरभारतीम् विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिम् सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तौ विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे भारती करुणापात्रं भारती पदभूषणम् भारती पदमारूढं भारती तीर्थमाश्रये विद्या विनय संपन्नौ वीतरागौ विवेकिनं वन्दे वेदान्त तत्त्वज्ञौ विधुशेखर भारती अनन्तगुणसम्पन्नामनन्ताभिधयाश्रुताम् अनन्तज्ञानदात्रीं तां मातरं प्रणुमो वयम् गैर्वाण्या संविबोधेन जीवनं मौल्यसंयुतं या करोत्तान्नमाम्यम्बां शारदामूर्तरूपिणी कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृत शशिकलाभ्यां निजतपः फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटित फलाभ्यां भवतु मे शिवाभ्यामस्तोकत्रिभुवन शिवाभ्यां हृदि पुनर्भवाभ्याम् आनन्दस्फुरदनुभवाभ्यां नतिर्यम्. Okay. So let us begin the revision. शुभा भगिनी।
राम 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 भगिनी।
राम राम भगिनी, वदतु।
पापोत्पात विमोचनाय रुचिरैश्वर्याय मृत्युञ्जय स्तोत्रध्याननति प्रदक्षिण सपर्यालोकनाकर्णने जिह्वा चित्तशिरोङ्घ्रिहस्तनयनस्त्रो श्रोत्रैरहं प्रार्थितः मामाज्ञापय तन्निरूपय मुहुः मामेव चः।
Bhagini, very well chanted. The third line, little bit fluency. If you practice, you will get. Jihva chitta shirongri hasta nayana shrotrairaham. Just a bit more confident there. Nayana shrotrairaham. Uttamam. Very well done, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः भगिनी।
Okay. Next, Srividya.
गाम्भीर्यं परिखापदं घनधृतिः प्राकार उद्यद्गुणस्तोमश्चाप्तबलं घनेन्द्रियजयः द्वाराणि देहे स्थितः विद्यावस्तु समृद्धिरित्यखिल सामग्री समेते सदा दुर्गातिप्रिय देव मामकमनो दुर्गे निवासं कुरु।
Srividya, agre api vadasi kim? 43 you want to chant?
Yes.
How many have you learned?
Agachat, she's asking.
How many have you learnt?
I think I've done till 50.
Very good. How you can continue till wherever you are comfortable. Okay. Chant.
Okay.
Ah.
आगच्छत्वमितस्ततो गिरिशभोः मय्येव वासं कुरु स्वामिन्नादिकिरातमामकमनः कान्तारसीमोत्तरेऽन्य वर्तन्ते बहुषु मृगामदजुषः मात्सर्यमुहादयः तान् हत्वा मृगया विनोदरुचितालाभं च सम्प्राप्स्यसि करलग्नमृगः करीन्द्रभङ्गो घनशार्दूलविघट्टनो सजन्तुः गिरिशो विशदाकृतिश्च चेतः कुहरे पञ्चकोऽस्ति मे कुतोभिः छन्दश्चाखिशिखान्वितैर्द्विजवरैः संसेविते शाश्वते सौख्यापादिनि खेदभेदिनि सुधासारैः फलैर्दीपिते चेतः पक्षिशिखामणि त्यज वृथा सञ्चारहन्यैरलम् नित्यं शङ्करपादपद्मयुगलीनीडे विहारं कुरु आकीर्णेन करादिकान्तिविभवैरुद्यत्सुधा वैभवैः आधौ तेऽपि च पद्मरङ्गलिते हंसव्रजैराश्रिते नित्यं भक्तिवधूगणैश्च रहसि स्वेच्छाविहारं कुरु स्थित्वा मानसराजहंसगिरिजानाथाङ्घ्रि सौधान्तरे शम्भुध्यानवसन्तसङ्गिनि हृदारामे घरीर्नच्छदाः त्रस्ता भक्तिलताच्छटा विलसिताः पुण्यप्रवालश्रिताः दीप्यन्ते गुणकोरका जपवचः पुष्पाणि सद्वासना ज्ञाननन्तसुधामरन्तलहरी संवित्फलाभ्युन्नतिः.
This verse, first line, if you want to take a breath, you take a breath before Hridarame. Okay, let us not pause at Hridarame. Ghajirna, instead of taking a breath there, you take a breath before Hrida. So then you won't need to pause there. Hridarame Ghajirna Chadaha. One word. Okay. And third line, Sadvasanaha Visarga. If you stop. Another version is Sadvasana Jnanananda Sudhamaranda Lahari. There we should be very clear that we are not pausing, that we are showing it as one word. Third line and fourth line without pausing. Okay, but if we are pausing, we chant it as Sadvasana. Okay, Sri Vidya?
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Huh. Next verse.
नवस
Okay, you want to do it again? Okay, yeah.
शम्भुध्यानवसन्तसङ्गिनि हृदारामे घटीर्नच्छदाः स्रस्ता भक्तिलताच्छटा विलसिताः पुण्यप्रवालश्रिताः दीप्यन्ते गुणप्रकाजपवचः पुष्पाणि सद्वासनाः ज्ञानानन्दसुधामरन्तलहरी संवित्फलाभ्युन्नतिः नित्यानन्दरसालयं सुरमुनिस्वान्ताम्बुजाताश्रयम् स्वच्छं सद्विजसेवितं कलुषहृत् सद्वासनाविष्कृतम् शम्भुध्यानसरोवरं व्रजमनोहं सावकं सस्थिरम् किं क्षुद्राश्रयपल्वलभ्रमणसञ्जातश्रमं प्राप्स्यसि आनन्दामृतपूरिता हरपदाम्भोजालवालोद्यता स्थैर्योपघ्नमुपेत्य भक्तिलतिका शाखोपशाखान्विता मानपटलीम् आक्रम्य निष्कल्मषा नित्याभीष्टफलप्रदा भवतु मे सत्कर्म संवर्धिता
Manasa Kayamana Patalim. Okay. If you practice, you'll be more confident with chanting that part. Next one, 50.
सन्ध्यारम्भविजृम्भितं श्रुतिशिरस्थानान्तराधिष्ठितम् सप्रेमभ्रमराभिरामसकृत् सद्वासनाशोभितम् भोगीन्द्राभरण समस्तसुमनः पूज्यं गुणाविष्कृतम् सेवे श्रीगिरिमल्लिकार्जुनलिङ्गं शिवालिङ्गितम्.
Sri Vidya, very well done. Excellent. Very well chanted. Keep up the very good practice which you have been doing all this while. Okay. And I'm sure that by the end of our course, you would have memorized all the 100 entire Shivananda Lahari. Okay. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you. Thank you for chanting for us.
धन्यवादाः.
Excellent. Lakshmi Ramasubramanian Bhagini.
हरि ओम बेनी.
Hari Om Vadatu Bhagini.
पापोत्पात विमोचनाय रुचिरैश्वर्याय मृत्युञ्जय स्तोत्र ध्यान नति प्रदक्षिण सपर्यालोकनाकर्णने जिह्वा चित्त शिरोङ्घ्रि हस्तनयन श्रोत्रैरहं प्रार्थितः मामाज्ञापय तन्निरूपय मुहुः मामेव चः.
Uttamam Bhagini. Second line, I know it's a little difficult to keep your breath throughout.
Very difficult. I'm practicing
I
regularly.
understood. Yes, no problem, no problem. With
Age
practice, you'll
problem
get
also
it.
is there now.
Absolutely, Bhagini. No, not a problem. All of us are blessed learning at whichever age we are at.
I am practicing every day all the verses you have taught. So
Oh,
I will
wonderful,
continue
Bhagini.
practicing.
That itself is
Daily and
a very big yajna.
I
Yeah.
keep it as a regular prayers also. Whenever you continue, I will do all the verses.
Uttamam, Bhagini. Uttamam. Dhanyavada. Very well chanted.
Dhanyavada.
Very well chanted. Next, Madhubala, Bhagini. Gambhiryam.
गाम्भीर्यं परिखापदङ्घनधृतिः प्राकार उद्यद्गुणस्तोमश्चाप्तबलं घनेन्द्रियचयः द्वाराणि देहे स्थितः विद्यावस्तु समृद्धिरित्यखिल सामग्री समेते सदा दुर्गाति प्रियदेव मामकमनो दुर्गे निवासं कुरु.
Uttamam, Bhagini. Sthitaha Mahaprana, if it is clearer, it would be wonderful. Very well chanted. Hemavati Shankar Bhagini. Hemavati Shankar Bhagini.
हाँ हाँ
Chiji.
मा गच्छत्वमितस्ततो गिरिशभोः मय्येव वासं कुरु स्वामिन्नादिकिरातमामगमनः कान्तार सीमान्तरे वर्तन्ते बहुशो मृग मदजुषः मात्सर्यमोहादयः तान् हत्वा मृगया रुचितालाभं च सम्प्राप्स्यसि. धन्यवादः.
Tatra Bhagini. Manah Kantara Simantare. I think slightly some change there. And last line, Samprapsyasi. We should not prolong it as E because it's not a dirgha there.
Oh, dirgha,
Dhanyavada,
dirgha.
Bhagini. Not a dirgham, it is a hrasva.
Okay, yeah.
So
I
we have to
this
keep
now.
it short.
Okay,
Dhanyavada.
thank you.
Well chanted. So we are going to, at the end of our course, we will have assessment of both Parayanam and memorization. Whoever can do Kantastha, please do. This course we are going at a slower pace because we are learning the meaning also. So we are not, progressing at a pace where we are just learning the verses to chant. So you have more time. By the time we come to, I think 2 or 3 verses each week, that's all we are doing. By next week, you'll be able to memorize if you just read the verses every day and keep practicing. So we will have the Kantapata assessment also. Then some of them have suggested other things like quiz, etc. because we are learning the meaning. We will just discuss about that and let you know. Rajalakshmi Krishnan Bhagini. कृपया अनम्यूट करोतु राजलक्ष्मी कृष्ण भगिनी.
हरि ओम्.
वदतु.
क्षम्यतां. करलग्नमृगः करीन्द्रभङ्गः घनशार्दूलविखण्डनोस्तजन्तुः गिरिशो विशदाकृतिश्च चेतः कुहरे पञ्चमुखोऽस्ति मे कुतोभिः.
Uttamam. Bhihi, Mahaprana. See, you chanted an apt verse. Chetah kuhare panchamukhosti chet me kuto bhihi. So let us take a deep breath every time we chant.
It came suddenly. I got scared. You're right.
No, that's what I'm saying. See, this is just, we are just chanting as an offering to Bhagavan. We are not, doing, it's not, nothing to get nervous is what I'm trying to convey. And you chanted a very important verse. Why do we get nervous? It is, actually, we are not doing anything. Everything Paramatma is only doing within us. So we will just take for all of you, take a deep breath because we want chanting to be a meditative experience. It should be a very calming meditative experience, like pranayama and all. When you do it correctly, right, it's a very calming exercise which makes the mind very calm. So that is the objective of chanting also. So let us all take a deep breath and be very calm and chant, so that it gives a lot of mental peace and composure also. And you must enjoy. Then that will, once you enjoy chanting, that will spread to others who are listening to you also, those vibrations. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well done.
धन्यवादः एकः for little Srividya Shubhashaya. What a great job. Fantastic chanting. I was
Thank you.
impressed. Yeah, thank you very much. धन्यवादः.
Thank you, Abhinandanani Srividya. Thank you, Rajalakshmi Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
Next, whoever has chanted, please lower your hand. Sometimes I tend to call again. So, Jayanti Bhagini, Srividya, many of them have also sent in the Q&A session congratulating you. Thank you all for your very kind messages to her. Jayanti Bhagini.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram.
छन्दश्शाकिशिखान्वितैर्द्विजवरैः संसेविते शाश्वते सौख्यापादिनि खेदभेदिनि सुधा सारैः फलैर्दीपिते चेतः पक्षिशिखामणे त्यज वृथा सञ्चारमन्यैरलम् नित्यं शङ्करपादपद्मयुगली नीडे विहारं कुरु.
Uttamam Bhagini. So here, Sudha Sarai Phalair Deepite. So whenever, if you want to take a breath, better take before the Samasta Padam starts, after Kheda Bhedini. Similarly, I think you took a breath after Vritha. Instead of that, you could take before Tyaja, because that they are two separate words. Tyaja, Vritha Sancharam, Anyairalam. But if we are able to practice and chant at a stretch, that is also great. And also the first line, Dvijavaraihi, if you pause there, clearly the Visarga should be heard. Dvijavaraihi, that Visarga should be clear. If you choose not to pause and if you want to combine the Sandhi, then we chant it as Dvijavarai Samsevite. That is, extra S is heard. It combines and becomes Visarga Sakara Sandhi. Extra S comes instead of the Visarga. So whichever way we do, we should do it clearly. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well done.
Okay, Guru. Thank you.
Vijaya Lakshmi Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Vadatu.
आकीर्णेन कराजिकान्ति विभवैः उद्यत्सुधा वैभवैः आधौ तेऽपि च पद्मराग.
Ramyatam Bhagini. Vijayalakshmi Bhagini.
What?
Sorry,
I was chanting.
you. Yes. Sorry. So could you start from the beginning? Akirne.
आकीर्णेन खराजिकान्ति विभवैः उद्यत्सुधा वैभवैः आधौ तेऽपि च पद्मरागललिते हंसव्रजैराश्रिते नित्यं भक्तिवधूगणैश्च रहसि स्वेच्छाविहारं कुरु स्थित्वा मानसराजहंस गिरिजानाथाङ्घ्रिसौधान्तरे.
Okay. Was, I think last line you had difficulty holding the breath.
I am unable to continue. Somewhat
So
I
what
felt
you could do, firstly, Sthitva is Mahaprana. Okay. Sthitva Manasa Rajahamsa. Then you can take a breath, because anyway there's a pause there. Then Girijanathangri Saudhantare. Tha, Gha and Dha are Mahapranas. I understand that.
Can I repeat the last line?
I will just conclude, Bhagini, what I was trying to say, so that everyone can benefit from it.
Okay.
So I understand that when we are having a problem holding the breath for the entire line, chanting Mahapranas becomes even more difficult because it needs more breath. That is when you understand the importance and significance of Mahaprana in Sanskritam. So it is really a breathing exercise. So you will realize it when we have lines like this. So ideally, when we can't pause at the yati, that is where we generally pause here, like kanti vibhavaihi, there's a yati we can pause. But in the fourth line here, we can't pause at the yati. Ideally, we should achieve, or rather endeavor to achieve, that much breath control that we could chant the whole line in such cases without pausing. But if we can't, then sthitva, there you can take a breath. Manasa Rajahamsa, there you could take a breath. And every day, if you keep chanting aloud, don't strain yourself, please, but keep sadhana. Consistency is important more than, power chanting just for one day and leaving it for many days. So consistently, if we keep practicing, then definitely our breath control will improve. हाँ भगिनी,
धन्यवादाः
last line.
स्थित्वा मानसराजहंस गिरिजानाथाङ्घ्रिसौधान्तरे.
It was much better now because you took that breath, right? Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Yeah. Actually, the very first verse, Kalabhyam itself is a huge, it's a practice in breath control. Jayashri Venkat Bhagini.
नित्यानन्दरसालयं सुरमुनिस्वान्ताभुजाताश्रयं स्वच्छं सद्विजसेवितं कलुषकृत् सद्वासनाविष्कृतं शम्भुद्यानसरोवरं व्रजमनो हंसावतंसस्थिरं क्षिंशुद्रश्रयपल्वल.
Once again, sorry, last line.
किं क्षुद्राश्रयपल्वलभ्रमणसञ्जाताश्रमं प्राप्स्यसि.
There, Kim Kshudrashraya. First time you chanted as Kshudra, I think. Kshudrashraya Palbala Brahmana Sanjata Shramam. It is not Sanjata Shramam. It is not Ashrama word there. Sanjata Shramam. Shramam, exhaustion. Sanjata arising out of that. So, Kim Kshudrashraya Palbala Brahmana Sanjata Shramam. There is a Dvitvam. Sanjata Shramam. We should be careful not to prolong that, then it will become ashramam. It's a different meaning. That's not the accurate word here. Sanjata shramam prapsyasi. E is hrasva, not a dirgha. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Well chanted. Please lower your hands, whoever has finished. Jayanti Bhagini. Jayanti Bhagini, did you get a
Yes,
chance
ma'am.
to chant?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
did?
Yes.
Okay. Bhramaramba Bhagini. Oh, wow. Bhramaramba Bhagini here. So we are Parvati Devi in Sri Shailam is Bhramaramba along with Mallikarjuna Swami. Vadatu Bhagini.
जय श्री कृष्ण. राम 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 भगिनी.
Shri Krishna, Ram Ram Ram.
आनन्दामृतपूरिता हरपदाम्भोजालवालोद्यता स्थैर्यो भग्नमुपेत्य भक्तिलतिका शाखोपशाखान्विता उच्चैर्मानसकायमानपटलीम् आक्रम्य निष्कल्मषा नित्याभीष्टफलप्रदा भवतु मे सत्कर्म संवर्धिता.
Tamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Vishalakshi Kannan Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Hear me, madam?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sandhyaramam Sandhyaram
Sandhyarambha.
okay, ma'am. Oh, sorry. Sandhyarambha Vijrumbitam Shrutishirastanantaradishtitam Saprema Brahmarabhimramasakrit Sadvasana Shobhitam Bhogindra Samasta Sumanah Pujyan Gunabhishkritam Seve Shri Mallikarjuna Mahalingam Shivalinkitam.
Last line you chanted Seve Shri Mallikarjuna. It is Seve Shri Giri Mallikarjuna.
Oh, I'm
Shri
sorry,
Giri, Shri Giri, Shri Shaila Kshetra. Shaila, Giri all mean the same hill. And also Shruti Shira Sthanantaradhishtitam. There every syllable, every samyukta akshara should be clear. Similarly, Saprema Bhramarabhirama Masakrit. What a beautiful verse it is. Saprema Bhramarabhirama Masakrit. Again, every word should be clear. Some samyukta aksharas here and there were slightly unclear. Last line, Seve Shri Giri Mallikarjuna Mahalingam Shivalingitam. Uttamam Bhagini.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Idanim Umadevi Bhagini. We will move to 41 again. Just a second.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Vadatu Bhagini.
Papotpati vimochan Papotpata vimochanaya ruchiraishvadyaya mrityunjaya Stotra dhyana nati pradakshina sapadya lokana karnane Jihva chitta shironghrihasthanayana shrotrairaham prarthitaha Mamajnapayatan nirupaya muhu Mameva chaha.
Bhagini. Well done. The first line you yourself corrected. So that's perfect. Next, Sujata Bhatt Bhagini.
हरि ओम भगिनी
Hari Om Vadatu.
गांभीर्यं परिखापदं घनरुतिः प्राकार बुद्ध्यद्गुणस्तोमश्चाप्तबल घनेन्द्रियचयः द्वाराणि देहे स्थितः विद्यावस्तु समृद्धिरित्यखिल सामग्री समेते सदा दुर्गाति प्रिय देव मामक मनो दुर्गे निवासं कुरु.
Here, Dhana Dhritihi. It was heard as Dhru. It is not Dhrutihi. It is Dhritihi. Dhr, Dha, Dha, Dhidhi, Dhu, Dhu, Dhr. That is a Gunitaksharam, what we call. And similarly, Samriddhi. There also it was heard as Samruddhi. It is not Ra with an Ukara. It is not that Samyuktaksharam. If you go back to our rules of pronunciation class, the difference will be clearer. Ghana Dhritihi, Samriddhi. We should not chant it as Samruddhi or Dhrutihi. Also, Stomash Chapta Balam, that Sha and Cha. Clearer, it should be heard as Shcha. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well done. This Dhritihi, Amritam, these kind of words, it is common to pronounce it that way. We should just be more careful while chanting. Padma Narayanan Bhagini. Ha.
मा गच्छत्वमितस्ततो गिरिशभोः मय्येव वासं कुरु स्वामिन्नादिकिरातमामकमनः कान्तारसीमान्तरे वर्तन्ते बहुशो मृगा मदजुषः मात्सर्यमोहादयः तान् हत्वा मृगया विनोदरुचिता लाभं च सम्प्राप्स्यसि।
भगिनी वेरी वेल डन, धन्यवादाः। नेक्स्ट अरुण दत्त महोदय।
नमस्ते मैडम।
नमस्ते, वदतु।
करलग्नमृगः करीन्द्रभङ्गो घनशार्दूलविखण्डनोस्तजन्तुः गिरिशो विशदाकृतिश्च चेतः कुहरे पञ्चमुखोऽस्ति मे कुतोभिः।
Uttamam Mahodaya. So here, just an observation. Some of you are chanting Karindra Bhango. So we should be clear that if we chant Karindra Bhango, then we shouldn't pause before Ghanashardula. Because Karindra Bhango, Ghanashardula, that is a sandhi. That is when you combine the sandhi. When we don't pause, then we chant Karalagna Mriga Karindra Bhango Ghanashardula Vikhandanostajantuhu. But if we have to pause after Karindra Bhangaha, then we should only chant it as Bhangaha and then Ghanashardula. I thought I would point out because some of you in books also it would be given as Karindra Bhango. So just we have to remember that when we combine the sandhi, then we don't take a pause. When we split or take a pause, then we split the sandhi also and chant as Karindra Bhangaha. That is the reason we have Bhangaha and Bhango, two versions. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well done. Okay. Next, Padma Narayan Bhagini. Oh, I think you already chanted. Okay. Nagashri Bhagini. Nagashri Bhagini. Okay, I can't see Nagashri Bhagini now. Shankara Subramanian Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste, Vadatu.
Shandashakiशिकान्विदैर्द्विजवरैः संसेविदे शाश्वते सौख्यापादिनिकेतबेतिनि सुदासारै बलैर्दीपिते चेदपक्षिशिखामणेद्यज प्रदासञ्चारमण्यैरलम् नित्यं शङ्करपादपद्मयुगलीनीडे विहारं कुरु।
Mahodaya, the first word, could you repeat, please?
Shandashaki.
It is not Shanda, Chanda. Could you say Chanda?
Chandashaki. Chandashaki shikanvidair sansevidे
So yes.
shashvate.
So the first word, that Chanda, that Cha should be clear. And also Mahapranas everywhere should be clearer, Mahodaya. Saukhyapadini, Heda Bhedini, Sudha Sarai Halair Deepite. So everywhere, please pay attention to your Mahapranas. You are chanting, but it has to be heard slightly more clearly.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. Well chanted. Okay. Nims Baluji.
Yes.
भवत्याः नाम भगिनी निर्मला वा?
निर्मला.
तत्र निम्स् इति लिखितमस्ति, वदतु।
आकीर्णेन खराजिकान्तिविभवैः उद्युत्सुधा वैभवैः.
Udyat-sudha, not Udyut-sudha. Once again.
आकीर्णेन खराजिकान्तिविभवैः उद्यत्सुधा वैभवैः आधौ तेऽपि च पद्मरागललिते हंसव्रजैराश्रिते नित्यं भक्तिवधूगणैश्च रहसि स्वेच्छाविहारं कुरु स्थित्वा मानसराजहंसगिरिजानाथाङ्घ्रिसौधान्तरे.
Very good. Kuru iti, we are not supposed to prolong there. Kuru, small hrasva.
Kuru,
So,
okay.
yeah, when there is a hrasva at the end of a line or a pada, we should be careful not to prolong it. So, it shouldn't be heard as a dirgha. Dhanyavadaha bhagini. Uttamam. Idanim, Maithili Gauri Shankar bhagini.
Yes. Namaste.
Namaste bhagini vadatu.
Okay. Shambhodhyana vasanta sangini hridharame gajirna chadaka shraddha bhakti lata chada vilasitaka punya pravana shritaka दीप्यन्ते गुणकोरका जपवचः पुष्पाणि सद्वासनाः ज्ञानानन्दसुधामरन्दलहरी संवित्फलाभ्युन्नतिः.
Bhagini, the second line, could you just the first word?
Srasta.
Srasta. Okay, that should be a slightly clear. Srasta. Dhanyavadaha bhagini. Well done. Idanim Deepa Mahadevan bhagini. Ram bhagini. Vadatu.
Nityananda rasalayam suramuniswantambujatashrayam swachham sadvijasevitam kalushahrit sadvasana vishkritam शम्भुध्यान सरोवरं व्रजमनो हंसावतं संस्थिरम्.
Hamsa, mano hamsavatamsa, not, there's no there. Mano hamsavatamsa sthiram.
Mano शम्भुध्यान सरोवरं व्रजमनो हंसावतं सस्थिरम्. किं शुद्राश्रयपल्वलभ्रमणसञ्जातश्रमं प्राप्स्यसि.
Uttamam bhagini. If possible, let us not pause after sanjatash. Sanjata is one word. Brahmana one word. Sanjata. I mean, this is a compound word. Samastapadam composed of many smaller words in between. Dhanyavadaha bhagini. Well done. Those who have completed, please lower your hands. Anuradha Kannan bhagini. Next, Annapurani bhagini, please be ready.
Ram bhagini.
Ram vadatu.
Anandamrita purita harapadam bhojalavalodyata स्थैर्योपघ्नमुपेत्य भक्तिलतिका शाखोपशाखान्विता उच्चैर्मानसकायमानपटलीम् आक्रम्य निष्कल्मषा नित्याभीष्टफलप्रदा भवतु मे सत्कर्म संवर्धिता.
You chanted really well, Bhagini. Very well done. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Idanim Annapurani Bhagini.
सन्ध्यारम्भ विजृम्भितं श्रुतिशिरस्थानान्तरधिष्ठितम् सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराममसकृत् सद्वासनाशोभितम् भोगीन्द्राभरणं समस्तसुमनः पूज्यं गुणाविष्कृतम् सेवे श्रीगिरिमल्लिकार्जुन महालिङ्गं शिवालिङ्गितम्
उत्तमं भगिनी, वेरी वेल चैंटेड।
Thank you.
धन्यवादः। सुगुणा भगिनी, आफ्टर सुगुणा भगिनी मधुमती भगिनी।
नमस्ते मैडम।
नमस्ते, वदतु।
राम राम।
राम राम। हाँ।
पापोत्पात विमोचनाय रुचिरैश्वर्याय मृत्युञ्जय स्तोत्र ध्यान नति प्रदक्षिण सपर्यालोकनाकर्णने जिह्वा चित्रशिरोङ्घ्रिहस्तनयन श्रोत्रैरहं प्रार्थितः मामाज्ञापय तन्निरूपय मुहुः मामेव चः।
उत्तमं भगिनी, few observations. मृत्युञ्जय, we should not prolong it as मृत्युञ्जया, it is मृत्युञ्जय.
Okay.
Then jihva chitta, there was a slight r heard there. Chitra, I heard it as it is chitta. And
जिह्वा
shiro,
चित्तशिरोङ्घ्रिहस्तनयन स्तोत्रैरहं
tatra
प्रार्थितः।
nayana shrotrairaham, sh, it is shrotrairaham. That word also should be clearer. श्रोत्राइरहं
प्रार्थितः।
हाँ भगिनी, प्लीज रिमेम्बर दीज। धन्यवादाः, वेल डन। नेक्स्ट मधुमती भगिनी। वदतु मधुमती भगिनी। Whoever has chanted, please lower your hands. राम राम भगिनी, वदतु।
गाम्भीर्यं परिखापदं घनधृतिः प्राकार उद्यद्गुणस्तोमश्चाप्तबलं घनेन्द्रियचयः द्वाराणि देहे स्थितः विद्यावस्तु समृद्धिरित्यखिल सामग्री समेते सदा दुर्गातिप्रिय देव मामकमनो दुर्गे निवासं कुरु।
Bhagini, well chanted. Vijay Lakshmi Bhagini, have you chanted already? Vijay Lakshmi, yes, Bhagini?
Yes, chanted Bhagini. I chanted little bit.
No problem.
I didn't chant well, so I.
No problem, Bhagini. Next time we will chant again, huh? Because we are many of them waiting. Please lower your hand, whoever has chanted. Shubha Lakshmi Gang, all of you are chanting well. So please don't think we didn't chant well. Shubha Lakshmi Gangadharan Bhagini.
राम राम भगिनी।
राम राम भगिनी, हाँ।
नागच्छत्वमितस्ततो गिरिशभोः मय्येव वासं कुरु स्वामिन्नादिकिरातमामकमनः कान्तारसीमान्तरे वर्तन्ते बहुशो मृगा मदजुषः मात्सर्यमोहादयः तान् हत्वा मृगया विनोदरुचितालाभं च सम्प्राप्स्यसि।
Tamam Bhagini, well chanted. Next, whoever has chanted, request you to please lower your hand. It gets difficult for me. Shyamala Ramachandran Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste, vadatu.
करलग्रमृगः करीन्द्रभङ्गः घनशार्दूलविकण्डनोस्तजन्तुः गिरिशो विशदाकृतिश्च चेतः कुहरे पञ्चमुखोऽस्ति मे कुतो भीः।
Uttamam Bhagini, just the Mahapranas everywhere. Bhangaha, Ghana, Vikhandanosta Jantuhu, Panchamukhosti. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well done. Next, Vijaya Bhagini.
Hello.
Vijaya Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. हाँ.
छन्दश्शाखिशिखान्वितैर्द्विजवरैः संसेविते शाश्वते सौख्यापादिनिखेदभेदिनि सुधासारैः फलैर्दीपिते चेतः पक्षिशिखामणिर्त्यज वृथा सञ्चारमन्यैरलम् नित्यं शङ्करपादपद्मयुगली नीडे विहारं कुरु.
Uttamam Bhagini, well done. Cheta Pakshi Shikhamani. So fluency will come when you keep practicing. Uttamam. Next, Gauri Ravi Bhagini.
आकीर्णो नखराजिकान्तिविभैः
Kirne, not Akirno.
Oh, sorry. आकीर्णे नखराजिकान्तिविभवैः उद्यत्सुधा वैभवैः आद्योत आधौ तेऽपि च पद्मरागललिते हंसव्रजैराश्रिते नित्यं भक्तिवधूगणैश्च रहसि स्वच्छाविहारम् स्वेच्छाविहारं कुरु स्थित्वा मानसगिरिजानाथाङ्घ्रिसौधान्तरे.
Kuru. It's a hrasva there. Bhagini, you have to get more familiar with all the letters and the words so that we just chant as is, without any discrepancies. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Okay, next. Kamakshi Kuppuswami Bhagini.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Vadatu.
शम्भुध्यान वसंत संगिनी हृदारामेघजीर्णच्छदाः स्रस्ता भक्तिलताच्छडा विलसिताः पुण्यप्रवालश्रुताः दीप्यन्ते गुणकोरका.
It is not dheepyante, it is deepyante.
दीप्यन्ते गुणकोरका जपवच पुष्पाणि सद्वासनाः ज्ञानानन्द सुधामरन्दलहरी संवित्फलाभ्युन्नतिः.
Bhagini. Meena Ramanarayanan Bhagini.
It's talking.
Wait, don't talk. Nityananda.
Small girl here?
Yes, my granddaughter.
Okay. Will she chant?
No, she's just 2.5 years old.
Oh, okay. She can listen. Yes.
Yes, she's listening from the beginning.
Very good.
Nityanandarasalayam suramuniswanta bhujatashrayam swacham sadvijasevitam kalushahrit sadvasanan vishkritam shambudhyana sarovaram vrajamanoham savatantsastiram Kim Shudrakshaya Palvala Brahmana Sanjatashramam Prapsyasi.
Kim Shudrashraya. So there that will be clearer. Prapsyasi. That it is a hrasva Bhagini there.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Yeah. Then Janaki Rajaram Bhagini. If you have already chanted, please let me know because a lot of them have raised their hands.
No, Bhagini. Namaskaraha.
No, not for you, Bhagini. Generally, I'm saying because sometimes they keep the hand raised. Vadatu.
आनन्दामृतपूरिताहरपदाम्भोजालवालोद्यता स्थैर्योपघ्नमुपेत्य भक्तिलतिका शाखोपशाखान्विता उच्चैर्मानसकायमानपटली आक्रम्य निष्कल्मषा
Once again. Akramya.
आक्रम्य निष्कल्मषा नित्याभीष्टफलप्रदा भवतु मे सत्कर्म संवर्धिता।
अस्तु भगिनी, धन्यवादाः। वेल chanted. नागश्री भगिनी। नागश्री भगिनी कृपया वदतु।
नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्ते, वदतु।
सन्ध्यारम्भविजृम्भितं श्रुतिशिरस्थानान्तराधिष्ठितं सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराम असकृत्
सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराममसकृत्
सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराममसकृत् सद्वासनाशोभितं भोगीन्द्राभरणं समस्तसुमनः पूज्यं गुणाविष्कृतम् सेवे श्रीगिरिमल्लिकार्जुनमहालिङ्गं शिवालिङ्गितम्।
उत्तमं भगिनी, वेल chanted. मंगलम रामचंद्रन महोदयः। प्लीज अनम्यूट। मंगलम रामचंद्रन महोदय। नेक्स्ट कामेश्वरी भगिनी, प्लीज बी रेडी।
ओके, अनम्यूट।
वदतु वदतु।
राम भगिनी।
राम वदतु।
51 right?
41.
Oh, you're 41, sorry. Sorry. पापोत्पात विमोचनाय रुचिरैश्वर्य मृत्युञ्जय पापोत्पाय विमोचनाय रुचिरैश्वर्याय मृत्युञ्जय स्तोत्रध्याननदी प्रति क्षीण सपद्यालोकना कर्णने जिह्वा चित्त शिरोङ्गिरिहस्तनय जिह्वा चित्त शिरोङ्गिरि हस्तनयन सोस्त्रैरगं प्रार्थितः मामाज्ञापय तन्ति रूपय मामाज्ञापय तन्निरूपमुहुर्मामेव मामाज्ञापय तन्तिरूपय रूपय मुहुर्मामेव च।
Bhagini, first of all, it is not Tanti Rupaya, it is Tanni Rupaya. And we don't split it as Muhur Mameva. We say Muhuhu Mameva. Or if we want to chant together, we say Muhur Mameva. We shouldn't split it as Muhur and then Mameva. That's not correct. Also, the second line, Shirongri, please listen to the recording and practice. You are chanting it as Shironghiri, something like that. Shirongri. Similarly, Hastanayana Shrotrairaham. Those Samyukta Aksharas, please listen to the recording and practice, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next we have Kameshwari Bhagini. Next, Mayur Sumana Saujanya Bhagini, please be ready.
Namaste, madam.
Ha, vadatu.
गाम्भीर्यं परिखापदं घनधृतिः प्राकारबुद्ध्यद्गुणस्तोमश्चाप्तबलं घनेन्द्रियचयः द्वाराणि देहे स्थितः विद्यावस्तु समृद्धिरित्यखिलसामग्री समेते सदा दुर्गातिप्रिय देव मामकमनो दुर्गे निवासं कुरु.
Bhagini, Shapta Balam, Udyad Guna Shapta Balam. It shouldn't be heard as Cha. It is not Cha, it is Shcha. That Shcha should be heard clearly. Please listen to the recording and practice. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, we have Mayur Sumana Saujanya Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram
Sumana here.
Vadatu. Sumana Bhagini Vadatu. Ha.
मागच्छत्मितस्तो
Magachattvamitastato.
मागच्छत्वमितस्ततो गिरिशभोः मयि
Mahaprana.
भोः मयि एव वासं कुरु स्वामिन्नादिकिरातमामकमनः कान्तारसीमान्तरे वर्तन्ते बहुशो मृगा मदजुषः मात्सर्यमोहादयः तान् हत्वा मृगया विनोदरुचिता लाभं च सम्प्राप्स्यसि.
We should not prolong it as C. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well done. All of you, please listen to the recording either on YouTube or you have audio recordings also. Next, Shobha Alata Bhagini. All of you, please listen to the recording every day and keep practicing so you get the pronunciation and fluency. Shobha Alata Bhagini. Karalagna. Ram Bhagini. Ram Vadatu.
करलग्नमृगः करीन्द्रभङ्गः घनशार्दूलविखण्डनोस्तजन्तुः गिरिशो विशदाकृतिश्च कुहरे पञ्चमुखोऽस्तिमिकोतु
पंचमुखोऽस्ति मे
कुहरे पञ्चमुखोऽस्तिमुखोतोभिः
last line please practice Bhagini. Chetah kuhare panchamukhosti me kuto
Where I have to split, ma'am?
We don't split there. Chetah kuhare panchamukhosti me
Chetah kuhare panchamukhosti me kutobhihi.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Last time you got that. Please, like I said, the YouTube recordings are available. Please keep, or even listening in the background, whatever you are doing. If you can listen in the background also, it helps. It registers in your mind, the right pronunciation. Kamala Shankar Bhagini. Next one. After Kamala Shankar Bhagini, Vinay Shankar Mishra ji, please be ready.
Ram
Bhagini, vadatu.
Chanda Shakhi Shikhani.
Shakhi, not Chanda Shakhi. Chanda Shakhi.
Chanda Shakhi Shikhanvitaidvijavaraihi samsevite shashvate Saukhyapadini Khedabhedini Sudhasarai Phalairdeepite Chetah Pakshishikhamane Tyaja Vrutha Sancharamanyairalam Nityam Shankarapada Padmayugali Nide Viharam Kuru.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Next, Vinay Shankar Mishra ji. After Vinay Shankar Mishra ji, Shankari Ramesh Bhagini, please be ready.
आकीर्णे नखराजिकान्ति विभवैः ओद्यत्सुधा वैभवैः ओ आद्यौतेऽपि च
आधौतेऽपि च
आधौतेऽपि च पद्मरागललिते हंसप्रजेराश्रिते नित्यं भक्तिवधूगणैश्च रहसि स्वेच्छाविहारं कुरु स्थित्वा मानसराजहंस गिरिजानाथाग्रे सौधान्तरे.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Adhautepi cha. There we don't say adhautepi cha. Adhautepi cha. The hrasva. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well chanted. Next, we have Shankari Ramesh Bhagini.
Namaste, Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Padatu. After Bhagini, Usha Ayarji, please be ready.
शम्भुध्यान वसंत संगिनी हृदारा मेघजीर्णच्चदा स्रस्ता भक्तिलता छटा विलसिताः पुण्यप्रवालश्रिताः दीप्यन्ते गुणकोरकाजभवचः पुष्पाणि सद्वासनाः ज्ञानानन्दसुधामरन्दलहरी संवित्फलाभ्युन्नतिः.
Uttamam Bhagini. First line, the Mahapranas should be clearer. Shambhudhyana Hridaramegha Jirnachadaha. Also, Guna Koraka. It is heard as Guna. It is Guna Na. The Na Murdhanya Na. Please practice that. Guna Koraka Japavacha Pushpani. There also the Na and Na difference should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Usha Iyer Bhagini. Usha Iyer Bhagini. After Usha Iyer Bhagini, Saumya Gopalakrishnan Bhagini. After Saumya Gopalakrishnan Bhagini, Rajalakshmi Bhagini. After that, Padmavati Bhagini. Yes, Usha Iyer ji. Vadatu.
Yes.
Vadatu.
नित्यानन्तरसालयं सुरमुनिस्वान्ताम्बुजाताश्रयं स्वच्छं सद्विजसेवितं कलुषरत् सद्वासनाविष्कृतं शम्भुत्यानसरोवरं व्रजमनोहं सावतं सस्थिरं किं शुद्राश्रयपल्वलं प्रमणः सञ्जातश्रमं प्राप्स्यसि.
Tatra Sura Muni Swantambujatashrayam. That Shra should be clearer. And last line, Kshudrashraya Palvala Brahmana Sanjatashramam. There it is not Brahmana San, there is no extra S there. Brahmana Sanjatashramam Prapsyasi. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha, well done. Next, Saumya Gopalakrishnan Bhagini. After Saumya Gopalakrishnan Bhagini, Rajalakshmi Bhagini, please be ready. After Rajalakshmi Bhagini, Padmavati Bhagini. Saumya Bhagini Vadatu. Unable to hear you, Saumya Bhagini. Saumya Bhagini. You are unmuted, but I'm not able to hear you. Okay, Rajalakshmi Bhagini, let us try. Vadatu Rajalakshmi. Ram Vadatu.
आनन्दामृतपूरिता हरपदाम्भोजालवालोद्यथा
स्थैर्योपग्नमुपेत्य भक्तलतिका शाखो
Latika, not bhakta, bhakti.
स्थैर्योपग्नमुपेत्य भक्तिलतिका शाखोपशाखान्विता उच्चैर्मानसकायमानपटलीमाक्रम्य निष्कल्मषा नित्याभीष्टफलप्रदा भवतु मे सत्कर्म संवर्धिता। धन्यवाद।
Samvardhita. Dhi is Mahaprana, Ta is Alpaprana. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
कर्म संवर्धिता।
Slightly the Mahaprana, Alpaprana is interchanging. Vardhita, Samvardhita. It should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Please practice that bit. Next, Padmavati Bhagini, the last verse. So, whoever has raised the hands, I've called out today. Padmavati Bhagini. Vadatu.
सन्ध्यारम्भा विजृम्भितं
Sandhyarambha Vijrambhitam, not Arambha. Sandhyarambha Vijrambhitam.
वदामि सन्ध्यारम्भ विजृम्भितं श्रुतिशिरस्थानान्तराधिष्ठितं सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराममसकृत् सद्वासनाशोभितं भोगीन्द्राभरणः
Bhogindrabharanam.
भोगीन्द्राभरणं समस्तसुमनः पूज्यं गुणाविष्कृतं सेवे श्रीगिरिमल्लिकार्जुनमहालिङ्गं शिवालिङ्गितम्।
Uttamam Bhagini. Sheila Tirugyanam Bhagini. I didn't see your raised hand, so I didn't call your name. You could chant now. Sheila Bhagini. Sheila Tirugyanam Bhagini. Please unmute. The last verse only. Sandhyarambha.
सन्ध्यारम्भ विजृम्भितं श्रुतिशिरस्थानान्तराधिष्ठितं सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराममसकृत् सत्वासनाशोभितं भोगीन्द्राभरणं समस्तसुमनः पूज्यं गुणाविष्कृतं सेवे श्रीगिरिमल्लिकार्जुनमहालिङ्गं शिवालिङ्गितम्।
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Your Mahapranas everywhere have to be more clear. Please focus on the Mahapranas. Sandhyarambha Vijrambhitam. Everywhere, the entire verse. Please do, maybe if you listen to the recording, it will become clearer to you. So please focus on the Mahapranas Bhagini throughout. Kamala Bhagini, please chant the last verse. Some of you have not raised your hands, so I'm not able to make out. You have to raise your hand, please, if you want to chant. Kamala Bhagini, last verse again.
I have raised my hands. Is it not showing for you?
It's not showing, Bhagini.
But right in
So
the beginning, I have raised my. That is my last session. Also, I didn't get. I have to see what is the problem.
I don't know why your hand raise is not shown to me. I mean, I finished calling everyone whose ever hands were raised today. But your, I had to search for your name. No worries. Please chant the 50th verse.
Okay. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Sandhyarambha vijrumbhitam shrutishiras-sthanandaradhishtitam.
Shrutishiras-sthanantaradhishtitam.
Sorry. Sandhyarambha vijrumbhitam shrutishiras-sthanantasadhishtitam. Saprema bhramara. सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराम सकृत
प्रेम भ्रमराभिराम सकृत.
You, I'm in a tension. Sorry.
Slowly.
सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराम सकृत
सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराम सकृत. Please listen and practice, Bhagini.
सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराम भ्रमराभिराममसकृत् सद्वासनाशोभितं भोगे भोगीन्द्रभरणं समस्त
भोगीन्द्राभरणं, not भोगीन्द्रभरणं, भोगीन्द्राभरणं.
भोगीन्द्राभरणं समस्त सुमनः पूज्यं गुणाविष्कृतं सेवे श्रीगिरिमल्लिकार्जुनमहालिङ्गं शिवालिङ्गितम्. Sorry, I will learn.
Seve Shrigiri Mallikarjuna Mahalingam. We don't pause there. If you want to pause, you could take a breath before Shrigiri, that is after Seve, or after Mahalingam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well chanted. Please practice by listening. Listen to the. Please do listen to the verses being chanted on YouTube, or even audio is available. Then you'll become more familiar with the words. Astu Idanim. We will conclude here with Shanti Mantraha. Thank you all for chanting, and thank you for all the kind words of appreciation for Sri Vidya. Many of them have congratulated here for doing a great job, and today many of you got a chance to chant. And we still have around 80 of you here. So, dhanyavadaha. Next class, we will meet and continue. We will learn from the 51st verse. Let's conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyah. Ram Ram Ram. Agami Shanivasare Punarmilamaha.